Hi, it's Tim Quast for Market Structure Edge, and we're talking about some navigation basics here so you can find your way around the platform. And core to that is understanding what's in the portfolio view, and I'm going to show you that. Each of these tiles, of course, and I've got lots of them here because I've made a lot of portfolios to track things. You know, I'll do those Benzinga segments, and I have a portfolio for that. Let's go down here to momentum trades. This is on your dashboard too. We create it for you. Click through that, and I want to show you what the metrics that we use tell you. And those are the metrics right across the top here. You see these? So ticker, demand trend. Let's talk about that briefly. We have a 10-point scale. That's that algorithm that looks at buying and selling by investors and traders. And when there's more buying than selling, it rises above 5. And notice that this first one is at 9 and trending up. That's what we want. Supply is short volume. Short volume here is over 53%. That's awfully high. It means more than 53% of the trading volume in that stock is coming from borrowed stock. Well, I like a lower number than that, but you're going to know right away, and it is trending down in the short term. The default for the trend will be 30 days, but we can also search by 1 day, 5 day. In this case, we're looking for very short-term declines in short volume. Volatility and dollars per trade, very important metrics. I'll point something out really quickly here. Behavior, if you wonder what that is, click this little question mark over here and you'll see the definitions. Going to volatility, that's the spread between the intraday high and low price on average. Great way to understand volatility. Great way to know how much to expect to make. Yes, that stock goes up or down 4% on an average day. So if it goes down 3% and it has a diverging supply and demand, I'm buying that because there's a high likelihood in the next couple of days that it goes up an equal amount. That's why we have an average. And then you can take gains, not chances. That's how to use it. Dollars per trade tells you how many dollars are in an average trade for this stock. And if you try to buy more than that, it may be challenging. And stocks oftentimes trade thousands, tens, hundreds of thousands of times a day, but they're in very small increments. So it's a very important data point to know. And these are the metrics we use to help us make good decisions about supply and demand. Finishing there, hit that little drop-down arrow, and you can see supply and demand for that stock. That's how to use those data in the portfolio view.